How would you like to boost your income with MyEcon credit repair business opportunity, which means you can repair your own credit while at the same time sharing this opportunity with other people for them to repair their credit themselves. That way they don't have to give out their information to all of these credit bureaus, you know, your personal information like your name, your social security number, your phone number, all of that type of stuff you can keep personal. Why would you want to give that out to someone else when you can do it yourself? Now I'm going to show you in this video right here how you can get started today repairing your own credit. That's going to reach out to all three of the bureaus, okay, and that's going to help you. Now I want you to understand this is a process that takes time. It's not a one done and it's over with. This is process takes time, and you have to be willing to go through the process. We have all of the videos, the training, everything you need in order to be successful in increasing your credit score, fixing your own credit by yourself, for yourself, and your family. So right now, what you see right now on this page is that we at MyEcon are offering you right now to start doing your own credit repair for $19.95, less than $20, less than a Pizza Hut for your entire family. You can fix your credit for good, okay? This page was what you're going to find when you click the link in the description. I want you to watch this video because you're going to see testimonials of people who have actually used MyEcon credit repair system in order to get great credit scores. I even used it myself the very first time that I joined MyEcon, and it helped me tremendously. But I also use all of the other products inside of MyEcon as well. I wasn't just focusing on promoting the business opportunity side. I wanted to use the products in order to get myself in the position that I wanted to be in financially, and I hope you're willing to do the same. So you want to watch this video right here. It's not very long, okay? You can click yes, I want to fix my credit, and then we're going to tell you how it works. You pull your own credit report, which is easy to do, and we'll walk you right through it. Step 2, you're going to freeze secondary bureaus to ensure that creditors fight. If creditors fight you on what's on your report, you will win. Number 3, you're going to check for errors, so you can remove anything that brings your score down. Lastly, you're going to start that dispute process like a pro. We make it easy here at MyEcon. Now, if you notice here, what sets MyEcon apart from the rest of the credit repair? Well, if you notice here, there are other credit repair companies that will do your credit repair for you. But as I said before, why do you want to give your personal information to these companies where they could be a data breach, and now your information is just out there floating amongst the web, okay? So I want you to understand that creditrepair.com, okay, they do all of this, what you see here, but they charge you $49.95 per month, okay? Credit Saint does all of these three things, but they exclude this at $79.99 a month. And then the credit people, they charge you, they only do the same three things at the top, $79.99 per month. Whereas you can come into MyEcon right now for $19.95, and then it's going to be $39.95 per month afterwards. But you can continue to fix your credit yourself. You don't have to depend upon somebody else to do it for you. So the other so-called credit repair system would charge you as much as $80 per month just to repair your credit. Not us. It's just $19.95 to start. So let's go over here and look at these three sites, because these are the three sites, you know, that are considered the best credit repair company. So if we come over here to creditrepair.com, you will see here that the last package is the advanced package, and the advanced package is $119 per month, okay, compared to the $39.95 per month in MyEcon, with a first work fee of of $195. I mean $119.95, which means you have to pay $119.95 up front, then $119 per month, okay, for them to fix your credit fully. This is advanced, okay? So this is credit repair. If we come over here to the credit people, at the credit people, you're going to see $99 per month, $119 per month, and then $599 6-month flat rate fee, okay? And the standard, you see what's orange over here, show you what you get in the standard. But then the premium, you see what you get in the premium, and then the premium flat rate. So there are different rates. So you're going to be paying this monthly. This is not just a one-time cost thing and you're done. This is a monthly fee. But if you can do it yourself, why would you want to pay someone else to do it when you can learn how to do it yourself and then turn around and show others how to do it themselves? Or you can even start your own credit repair business and charge whatever you want, okay, to do it for them. So that's totally up to you. So you see the difference is $99 per month, $119 per month, $599, okay, for a 6-month flat rate, okay. So you see that right there. If we come over here to Credit Saint, you got the clean slate, the credit remodel, and the credit polish. The clean slate is $139.99 per month, $195 initial working fee. The credit remodel is $109.99 per month, $99 initial working fee. Credit polish, aggressive medium, $79.99 per month, $99 a working fee or whatever, initial working fee. And you can see everything that you get right here. MyEcon gives you all of this, and you even get a 30-day money back guarantee. If you have any questions, you can always go into the MyEcon group and get help to help you move in the right direction. So now you see the different prices, okay? And with MyEcon, you can get started today for just $19.95, okay? Now, as far as the business opportunity side, we're going to help you with the business opportunity side. We're actually going to give you this page right here that you're looking at right now that you can share with others who are looking to fix their credit as well. Another thing, when you come inside of your back office in MyEcon, okay, you're gonna come through here. You can look for My Credit System. If I go back to the BMC homepage, you're going to go to My Credit System here, or you can come to My Products and go to My Credit System. Once you go to My Credit System, you're going to watch these videos, okay? Watch every video. Follow the video step by step because it shows you how to do it step by step. You can do it yourself. Take your time. It all depends upon, you know, how quickly you want it done, but take your time. Come in here and do it. First thing you're going to do, you want to watch this introduction video. You're going to pull your credit report. Step 2, you're going to freeze secondary bureaus. All of this information here, everything that you need is here. You have some downloads that's going to help you. You're going to check for errors in check 3. Some other things you need to do here. Start the dispute process in step 4. Everything you need is right here where you need to mail to. Some other downloads, your dispute letters, pay for delete letters, everything you need is right here. Step 5 is credit utilization. Step 6 is build credit, okay? And then it talks about the congratulations here at the end of this page. So everything that you need is here inside of MyEcon in order for you to fix your own stuff. You can come here to introduction. You can start right here, get started now. And then it's going to take you back over to create dispute letters. Everything you need here is done. You just want to make sure it says we notice you don't have a profile yet. You can create one. Get everything set up the correct way inside of MyEcon in order for things to work for you. You want to follow these videos, and if you don't have time to watch these videos, then you can go pay those other companies to do this for you, which they're going to have access to your private information. But if you can just do it yourself, take your time and get everything done right. Everything is explained in these videos. So that's all you need. Once you get in MyEcon, okay, you're going to get access depending upon at the $19.95 level. You won't have everything here. So everything you need right here, even with the $19.95 package, whatever level you come in at, it will be displayed here. Okay, I highly recommend, once you get in, if you decide you want to upgrade, you can come to my account over here and you can upgrade. Let me see where downgrade under my membership. You can upgrade, downgrade, and go ahead and get in at the highest level so you get access to everything that you see on that page. So what you want to do right now is click the link in the description below this video, come to this page right here, watch this video right here, and you're going to get a page just like this once you join my team in MyEcon. This is exclusively for my team, okay, the team that I'm on. Nobody else, no other team in MyEcon has this page. So you're going to get access to this once you join MyEcon with me. So go ahead on right now, click the link in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Watch the video. If you feel like it, click on the Fix My Credit. You're going to click on that right there. It's going to take you over here. Make sure you see Richard Hairston, that's your sponsor. Just go down through here and fill out the information. You're going to get the $19.95 $20 off special, $39.95 price. Okay, after that it's going to be $39.95 per month. It lets you know what you get right here: the W4 tax training strategy, MyEcon credit system and cash flow manager app, debt elimination software, investment education training and opportunities. So you're going to get all access to all that. Fill out all this information, go to the next step, make your payment, and you're good to go. So I hope you got value from this video. Like the video, share the video with someone you know. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. My contact information will be above in this video as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, join MyEcon right now with the funnel team Richard, and I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.